igatol papablo family lo name tasol. Tasol olin no papatrublo family. Olno gat tuari long family. Number 1 pasin blo sta papablo family, you must line him school talk blo God. Number 1 true because talk lo Ephesus chapter 6 verse 4 na yupela all papa no ken sigarapim bel bilong all pikinini bilong yupela long bel ha true tasol lookout him all insight long lookout na strong pela school bilong big pela long pasim lo lookout him pikinini talk him all papa school him all insight lo lookout na strong plus school blo big pla minim yet pasten ken sabe lo school talk blo big pla osem mo nem yu by school him pikinini wanem samti yu yet ino sabe osem na igatol papablo family lo name tasol tasol olino papatrublo family olno gatwari long family osem na olman lo time lo yumi kamapnongut mo yet olman meri now olno gutro ol pikinini yusim drug ol papa mama tu yusim drug pikinini busy straight lo iPad papa mama busy straight lo online game olno ka time blo school im talk blo big plalong ol pikinini Bible itok ol papa no ken sikarapim bel blo pikinini blo plalong bel ha true no ken sing out all time kikimol all time you by throw mo something lo pikinini kikimem paitimem no ken lookout imol insight long lookout na strong plus school blo big pla 22:6 blo proverb school im pikinini long rot emi mas golongen na time emi lapun by ino inaplusim dispela time em pikininiet statlo school imem mitok inaplong you can stop papa trublo family past em true you yet masabe lo school talk na talk lookout blo god all talk sabe blo big pla you masabe tasol planti papa blo family now all no sabe lo school talk blo Christ because all pater no bin school imol all pasta no bin school imol all school im tights osem na pasta by kamapmani man tasol all no school im talk blo god all no so im all lik hap blo school talk pasin blo stop one te Mary you masabe tu number 1 Peter 3:7 one kind osem you pela all marit man stop one tem all bilong behind him sabe eminim you by stop one tem Mary blo you blo behind him bilip blong behind him straight pla pasin blong behind him sabe long big pla you by stop one tem Mary blong you long pasin blo God you by make him one em long em o sem one em you by like him em true o sem one em you by give on a long em you be start him gen brata Daniel one kind o sem you pela all marit man stop one tem all bilong behind him sabe give him on a long Mary osem igolong body inogat strong osem you pela yet na osem time you pela stop all pikinini one tem ikisi mari-mari bilong life long papa inaplong eminoken pasim rot bilong all preya bilong you pela you by helpim Mary blue you by no kikim you by no solapim you by no bagarapim bel blongem you by no bel fight long Mary blue you because law you can read him Colossi 3:19 all marit man like him true all Mary bilong you pela na no ken gat bel ipay true ibirwalongol sampla marit man gat bel pait lo Mary time em tok o sem em tok lo birwa blongem o sem em tok lo walk boy o slave blongem you must soim sorry long Mary soim sorry long Mary blong you o sem something bloholim ino strong eminim ino strong o sem you kaino sem time you drink lo plastic cup maski utromoy emoray tasol time you by drink long glass iken brook you holy mem easy tasol you puti mem go down easy too Mary osem something bloholim ino strong osem na stat lo pasim lo stop one time Mary inaplo pasin lo lookoutim pikinini na family you masabe lo school talk blogot you can read him 5:8 lo number 1 Timothy Tasol sapos wan pela inulukaw tim line bilong emyet na moyet o lusat i bilong house line bilong emyet emibintok nogat long believe true na emnunggut mo long wan pelaman ino believe true. Wan plaman mas lukaw tim house line blong emyet. Blong emyet. All gitaw site stop long house blong em. All papaw site nogat warilo family. Family nogat kay. Em stop one time all friend na drink ng bout. Pilay laki ama mas nogot ng bout. Yun na sapos lukaw ni all papablo family. Kain all mano sem. All mano site nogat warilo family. All nogat right lo kamapim family. Time yun no lukaw tim house line blong yuyet. Tok nogat long bilip. You nungut mo. Long man inogat bilip. O semwanem empasin i straight blo stop papablo family. Statlo pasiblo stop wante Mary. Inaplo pasiblo lukaw tim pikinini na family. You mas line in past them school talk blogod.